Magic Lantern and Zoito, they allowed the cinema or the transition from still era to motion era. There you could have successive images flow in a continuous manner to give the impression of a motion picture. So then we come to the silent era. In India, we consider Dadasaheb Phalke as the pioneer of Indian cinema. But even before that, we have Raja Harishchandra. Even before that, we had one or two experimental movies, you could say. One experimental movie which is generally seen. But 1913, Raja Harishchandra is the landmark when Indian cinema found its foundation. Dadasaheb Phalke, and we have the famous Dadasaheb Phalke Awards instituted in honor of the legend. Then we have Alamara in 1931, followed by Devdas in 1935. So this is the first Devdas.
Exactly.
We have multiple Devdases, each depicting an event in the respective era. The first Devdas came out in 1935, which began the love triangle, we could say, and then gave the plot idea to multiple movies. Then we come to the age of sound and the advent of major studios also. So silent era, I forgot to mention one thing, even though it is named silent, it is not completely silent. There used to be, yes, background music, even though there was no conversation. So, in the age of sound, we come to the different studios that were established. So that was a studio culture in which you had to depend on the studio for the creation of production of a movie. So the main studios involved the Prabhat Film Company of 1929, the Ranjit Movie Zone of 1929, the Wadia of 1933, Bombay Talkies, the most famous, most popular one, 1934, Gemini Studios, very popular. Almost there could have a comparison between the popularity of these two studios. So if we move ahead, we are breaking the timeline a bit and having a wall for regional cinema.
Yeah.
In fact, regional cinema would deserve an exhibition of its own. To do justice to the depth and the richness of the regional cinema, this is just a very small small depiction. Regional cinema is popular. So generally, though people say that Indian cinema is Bollywood, that is factually incorrect. Indian cinema has Bollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood in different languages, different styles. Malayalam. I think Malayalam movies are very popular in Bangladesh. Yeah. So a few landmark photographs and producers and of course Satyajit Ray, the legend. This is
Priyadarshan.
Marathi. This is Priyadarshan. Priyadarshan actually has done a pan-India kind of thing because he creates movies in different languages, the same movie in different languages and releases them together. So he is depicting multiple regional languages at the same time.
Maybe the first